नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर धर्मेंद्र आहूजा, डायरेक्टर फैकल्टी ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today I will be taking the topic principles and application of proteomics and genomic concepts and techniques. This is particularly related to cellular and molecular pharmacology of M.Pharm, and actually genomics and proteomics, first we will see what is genomics and then what is proteomics. So genomics is nothing but study of genome. What is genome? Genome means our DNA, or we can say DNA, RNA, or nucleic acid structures and nucleic acid base of our body. So if we are saying we are studying genome, means we are studying the nucleic acid sequencing and everything related to our DNA sequencing. And proteomics, we are studying the proteins getting formed by this DNA and RNA. So whatever the expression process means genomic expression. You know what is genomic expression? Genomic expression is transfer of information from DNA to RNA and then to protein. As you know, first from DNA to DNA form, that is called as replication. Then from that replicated DNA, RNA is formed, that is called as translation. And then from that RNA, protein is formed, that is called as transcription. So study of translation and transcription, basically expression and protein synthesis mechanism and everything, and what are the protein form, that all study is called as proteomics. So means there are number of application of genomics and proteomics, because nowadays the drugs, instead of drugs, the research is going towards biotechnological or biological studies. So in this case every study is now becoming towards genomics and proteomics. So basically in this session we are trying to see what are the application of genomics and proteomics. So genomics is applied nowadays everywhere, and proteomics is also applied in approx every disease, although earlier these were being applicable or being studied for genetic diseases. Now genetic diseases like thalassemia is there, number of genetic diseases are there. So but nowadays in every study scientists are working on genomes and proteomics. So they are finding what are the protein particularly getting formed in that particular disease, or what are the genomic changes getting place in that particular disease, and scientists are trying to recover that imbalance, or that if any excess protein is there, they are trying to reduce them, and if any protein is less, then they are trying to increase that synthesis. If any genomic correction is required, then they are doing that genomic correction to treat the disease. So now there are number of application, number of techniques. It is in fact it's a separate branch. Genomics is a separate branch, proteomics is a separate branch, and these are more elaboratively studied in bioinformatics. So this was the overview about genomics and proteomics, and in the keynotes section and recommended video section we have given complete details also, so you can have a look the applications of genomics and proteomics. I have explained you what is genomics, what is proteomics, how they are applied in treatment of disease, in pharmacology. So you can see complete notes here, you can see the recommended videos here, and accordingly you can understand more the detailed specific techniques also of genomics and proteomics. And students, this session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University Digital Version 2, and I am JVN Professor Dr. Dharmendra Ahuja, Director, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science. And if you have any query related to this session, you can mention here in the comment box, and I will surely resolve your query. So, thank you, students. Thanks a lot. हमेशा खुश रहिए.